in some way Berlin is also a bit overwhelming sometimes, to be honest, because it's such a vibrant city and there's so much going on. My name is Marietta Hollensteiner. I am 23 years old and I am a media design student. I studied business in Innsbruck and I had to do an internship in Berlin. And then through COVID, I actually didn't have so many options to go abroad, and Berlin was like the option that I was most intrigued by. So I went here. And then I kind of fell in love a bit with the freedom of the city. And I grew up with a mom who is intrigued by foods and cooking, and she's been a great teacher as well. So she taught myself and my sister from infant age on what food is and what food can do, and she also introduced us to different like cultural foods. I feel like being around a table with good food and friends, it's something that is so important and so essential, not only because it's like you need it to live, but it's also something that can heal you in some other way. There's so many talented people here, really, like it's just a fact. So many great minds, and I guess that's sometimes overwhelming to find your fine line of like being proud of what you do and really appreciating your work and your process, and balancing your life, and that is hard, but it's doable.